What's up, muscle car people? Bring It Muscle Cars here. As I said, the first thing we're gonna need to do on the Mustang is hood pins. I already removed the factory hood latching system because it didn't work. What we're gonna do today is put on these hood pins. They're about as basic a hood pin as possible. You've got the rod, the plate, the pin, and that's it. So we're gonna show you how to do that. Alright guys, that was a lot more than I felt like dealing with. The problem was the hood pins. The hood pins were hitting the AC condenser, which needed to go. So we pulled out the AC condenser. It's dead, it's sitting there now. Now the next step for the hood pins is we have to find marking holes on the hood and then drill holes in the hood.
This graphics card in my safe station and put the weight.
Next time on Bring It Muscle Cars.
We're gonna do a little automotive archaeology.
It's pretty shitty inside.